Residents here at the Scarborough Bluffs Co-operative are frustrated. They say they've been without hot water for over 3 months. I'm here in the kitchen in one of the units. It starts off a little lukewarm and then it cools off right away. And there are 3 buildings here. 10 units in each building, so roughly about 30 units are affected by this. They also tell me they're frustrated because they're getting mixed messages from the management company. Here's a letter that was dated back on December 12th, and it says they've hired an engineering firm to apply for the necessary city permits. And then while we were here today with our cameras, they got this letter delivered to their door. They will be applying for a permit this Friday. What's life been like for you? How have you adjusted to shower, shave?
Well, I have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning if I want to have a shower where I'm not shivering. And, you know, it's ridiculous.
It's a nightmare. A nightmare. It's really, really disgusting. Like, it's cold water, cold icing water. I have 2 kids living with me. I'm a single mom, work 2 jobs.
And while we were here on scene today, the building maintenance man also showed up. That didn't go over very well with residents, and things got a little heated.
Oh, look, you guys voted this board in. It's your board. I came in here and I rectified a lot of that's going down. You can't blame me. I'm telling you.
I want to know who should we go to? Is it the board? Is it the management? I don't hold you accountable.
You can't hold me accountable because I rectified the problem. Me and my boys, it's your board. It's your management company. In the summertime, there's plenty of hot water because my rads aren't on. My boiler's not on. In the wintertime, my boilers are on. There's more rads than there are kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, showers. Yeah. So it's draining all the hot water from there. I got my guy coming in. We're going to separate the hot water from the boilers. New gas lines, get rid of the piping, 2 180-gallon tanks, bada bing, bada boom, problem fixed. This could have been fixed months ago.
And management at the Scarborough Bluffs Co-op tells us that the hot water has not been turned off. Instead, there's a system design flaw that's affecting supply in 3 of the 9 buildings. In a statement, they say an engineering firm has been hired to prepare the necessary specifications and drawings and will be submitting permit applications to the City of Toronto by the end of the week. We hope the permit process is expedited so that the problem can be resolved quickly. A licensed contractor has already been secured to complete the required modifications. And Gary Crawford is the councillor in this area. He confirms that city officials have ordered the management company to fix the problem.
I first heard about this in December, getting into the holidays. They didn't have any hot water. Not acceptable at all to me. We made sure that our MLS, municipal license and standards, went out. They did do an inspection. They did do a notice of violation. Everything had to be rectified by December 31st. We're after that. There's still issues. We're ensuring that we've spoken with the management company to get this issue resolved as quickly as possible. We need to get the water on for these residents.
And the City of Toronto has already threatened to fine the management company here in Scarborough. Councillor Crawford says he's going to be back on site early next week with city officials to make sure that the problem is being fixed. Now, we first learned about this issue from a viewer. She contacted us. If you have a story you would like to send us, here's some ways to get a hold of us.